Good afternoon, my name is Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this very cool and rare 2005 Mercedes SL65 AMG. I think these cars are going to really maintain their value because they have a V12, it's AMG. This car has like 650 horsepower and 700 foot-pounds of torque. It's got the AMG wheels with the proper signatures, the V12 bi-turbo. Beautiful car, paint's in nice condition. Interior also very nice. This car has some interesting upgrades. It has the RENNtech ECU HandHeldTuner, and right now it's at tuned to 670 horsepower, 840 foot-pounds of torque, according to the consignor. Has a pedal commander, which is a software for the pedal, makes it more responsive. What else is that? It's hardwired for a radar detector, and I'll show you that when we get inside. Also the exhaust, it has like a power gate, so you can have the blustery sound, or with a flick of a switch you can put it to a very stock sound. Overall, the car's in really nice shape. I'll show you the engine. Seats don't show very much wear. These are beautiful cars. And, you know, just crazy performance. Just crazy performance. All Mercedes Benz AMG. Very nice. What a beast. A V12. I think these V12s in the era of electric cars, people are going to wake up and go, holy smokes, I wish I had that car. I wish I had that car, that V8 or V12. I think these are going to really go up in value. Something like 750 of these were built in 2005, so it makes it a pretty rare car. This car was well over 100,000 brand new. It's in very nice shape. The top works perfect. I'll show that if I remember on the way back. It's under here. There's a switch for the exhaust. That's the rocker switch. And then that's the sound adjustment for the bass in the trunk. So it has an upgraded radio, which also features backup camera. Crazy sound. So here's the light. Over here is the built-in radar detector. This is the programming for the pedal. You can adjust the suspension here. This also obviously has Bluetooth. So we'll go for a quick drive. I'm gonna try to put the windows up. Everything's so high tech. You know what I like? The leather here, the cloth. What a sound. So we'll just wait a minute. Turn the turn signals. So let me repeat, something like 700 of these were built in 2005, under 700. 700's a repeating number, says like 700 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque. It is way too fast for normal life. but I like the pedal adjustment. You can put it right back to stock if you want. Believe it or not, right then I got a big something in my eye and almost had to pull over because I couldn't see. But anyway, I'm clear now. Car is stupid fast. I mean, way faster than anybody short of Watkins Glen or Willow Springs will ever use. But it's neat to know it's there, and it's Mercedes reliable, it's comfortable, gauges all work, air works, roof works, comfortable seats, holy smokes, programmable seats. Car doesn't show really much wear at all. Very nice. Yeah, the throttle, programmable throttle, you really feel it when you gas it. It makes it very smooth. It holds the revs. It changes at a little higher point, the shift points. But boy, what a... This thing's a rocket. Absolute rocket. And comfortable. And the ride is very nice. Wow, what a sled. Holy crap. So I'll put it in reverse. So let's see if we want to put it up. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks very much.